Hey, imagine this. We're diving into the ever-expanding universe of mobile app development, a place where creativity meets cutting-edge technology to create applications that can completely transform our experiences. Now, Microsoft App Center has emerged as a stellar platform that's kinda like the North Star for app developers. So let's gather our thoughts and explore what this platform has to offer, especially focusing on the tech pros out there who are keen on smoothing out the app development process. When you are thinking about building or troubleshooting an app, the Microsoft App Center becomes your go-to. You see, App Center isn't just another development tool, it's a comprehensive guide that simplifies the journey of bringing your app from concept to reality. It has an all-encompassing approach, integrating various necessary steps like testing, analytics, and even user feedback. Now, when we talk about the key features, first off, App Center comes in like it owns the place. Automated builds. Check. Real device emulators for endless tests. Double check. Beta distribution to a select crowd for opinions before wide release. Yep, it's got that covered too. Plus, we can keep an eye on our app's performance and user behavior 24/7 through its real-time analytics and crash reporting capabilities. Weaving into these features, we get to the real heart of it all, the strategic context for why this matters. Developing an app without a robust backend like the Microsoft App Center sounds like trying to write an essay without a plan. Doable, maybe, but a real nightmare. Considering the complexities involved, from maintaining various environments and dealing with different OS versions to staying ahead of the latest trends, tools like Microsoft App Center don't just provide convenience, they become the backbone of an efficient workflow. Now, let's not forget the real money aspect of this whole tech spiel, the business value. Think of the App Center as a magic money tree. Not that we cheat or anything. Instead, it's more about how using this platform helps businesses save resources, notching down dev time, increasing customer interaction, and hence driving growth. Beta testing with App Center helps to catch bugs early, reducing the cost of fixing them later, while real user engagement and analytics can unearth what's selling and what's flying right out of a shopper's hand. Moving on, for a proper understanding, it's crucial to take a look at Microsoft App Center's technical architecture. This isn't just any tech blueprint, it's well thought out and interconnected. It functions seamlessly across different native platforms, and even extends its reach into hybrid app development territories. By embracing this platform, businesses aren't just getting a test suite, they're gaining a central point for their app's growth that adapts and evolves with market demands and technological upgrades. It's a world where the developer's mind has a safe space to think, test, and refine, where they can see their app come alive, tweaked, polished, and ready for the world. The App Center becomes a personal studio for mobile app development, equipped with the latest tools and resources. And in this studio, the app's lifecycle is well managed, each stage supported by the robust infrastructure of Microsoft App Center. So while the journey from ideation to the launch is complex, having App Center as a navigator makes it a breeze. The tech-heavy journey is smoothed out thanks to automation, real device testing, and the real-world interactions, creating a seamless experience that, quite frankly, could make our apps the talk of the town. Now, let's talk about how we, as IT professionals, can harness the power of Microsoft App Center. Understanding how to integrate and tailor App Center to our unique development and testing strategies is part skill, part science. It's about diving deep to leverage not just the features that App Center offers, but to also align them with our end goals of developing stellar applications that not only meet the needs of our user base but exceed their expectations. This integration isn't a one-size-fits situation, and mastering it is an invitation to excel in the development realm and differentiate our applications in the market. The significance of the Microsoft App Center doesn't end at the mere convenience it provides IT professionals. For developers, it means freedom from the fragmentation and inefficiencies that typically plague app development across different environments and systems. It's like putting on a supervisor's lens, directing focus on what really counts: innovation, engagement, and user satisfaction. To delve deeper and really understand the potential of this application center, we need to grasp what makes it tick. The App Center is, in essence, a conducive environment for development, a place where we can be as experimental as we want without worrying about the untested waters. It's all about efficiency, and what's more efficient than all-in-one solution that takes the complexities out of the equation? Let's not forget the part where the App Center helps keep us ahead of the curve. The testing on real devices across many OS versions does wonders in making our apps resilient, reliable, and future-proof. With this platform, we are not just testing apps, we are fostering confidence in the user base who expect consistency and top-notch performance from their pocket-based companions. And when it comes to distribution and analytics, the App Center is like a global distribution network and an astute analyst rolled into one. Releasing a beta version here, pushing an update there, and seeing how the market reacts. Plus, understanding the analytics is learning the language of success by heart, knowing which features are well received, which are not, and when to innovate or when to enhance the existing. It's data-driven decision-making at its finest. So, as the curtain falls on our discussion today, remember that the Microsoft App Center is more than just another tool. It's a guiding light through the development cosmos, a place where our apps can breathe, live, test, and interact. To learn more, visit neeraj.qq.io and subscribe to TechLab for continuous education and exploration in this technology-driven world. Vertical bar, end of instruction. Vertical bar.